welcome back to Madison Riley's World. Today I'm going to be doing a fair tutorial and I hope you like it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell. So let's get started. First I'm going to open my palette of eyeshadow. First I'm going to start with this color right here. I'm going to do my crease now. I'm done with my crease. Now I'm gonna do my eyes. First I'm gonna use this blue right here. I'm done with this side, now I'm going to do my other one. I'm done with the blue now. I'm going to do pink. I'm going to write this off. I'm gonna do my other eye next. I'm all done with my eyes, and now I'm gonna do my mascara. I'm all done with my mascara. Now I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna use this pink lipstick. And I'm gonna put a little bit of lip gloss on it, and it's called Fenty Beauty. It's very, very sparkly. almost finished. Thank you guys for watching my channel, and I hope you liked it, and I love you guys. I love you all, and thank you for watching my YouTube video.